Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's make a male trouser, I mean. So these are the measurements required. First up, we'll be taking our full length measurement from our waistline. I'm working with 38 and we'll just place it right there and rule it out. Next is from our waist down to our knee line and then to our calf line, and the easiest way to get to your calf line is just to come down 8 inches below your knee line, and then we just rule that out. So now our waist measurement divided by 4 and 2 inch about 2 inches allowance, and we'll just place it right there. Next is to divide our flap, which is your hip line divided by 4 plus 1.5 for the lower butt and the bigger butt plus 2 inches. So now I'm coming down by 1 inch to divide my waistline for the front panel. Next is to place our thigh measurements on the flap line divided by 2 plus 1 inches allowance. And then I'm going up on the flap line by 2.5 inches, and we'll just draw it out with a curve ruler. Next is dividing our the what we got on the flap line by 2, and then to divide our gaiter line we'll just measure it down. I got 7.5 and I just place it right there from the flap downwards and I rule it out. Now I'm just coming out by half inch on the waistline to divide our waistline, and to get our pockets I came in by 1.5 inch, and then the same way I placed my tape rule, just like this, I came down by 7 inch to get my pocket. Now we're labeling this to make it known: our knee line, our calf line, and the full length. So now you're going to be dividing your round new measurement by 2, and you place your tape rule at the middle and you just measure on both sides. Let's say you have knee for 7 inches. You're going to be placing 3.5 on the middle point and measure the 3.5 on both sides. Same thing for your calf and same thing for your bottom, which is your ankle measurement. And now we're going to be ruling that out to define our trouser. So you bring out your curve ruler, or you can as well use your hand if you don't have a curve ruler, and just place it like this. While doing this, I made a mistake and short my measurement on the flap. So you just have to re-measure your flap and make it accurate when doing that. So now for the bottom, I came down by 2 inches because I already added my sewing turning measurements for the bottom. So now we're just coming out by just little, not even up to half inches here, so that when you are turning your trouser, when you are folding it in, it will be able to sit well. It won't be kind of folding anyhow. I don't know the perfect English for that. And now the next thing is to cut it out. So now I went ahead to cut it out on the fabric, and the next thing is to get, I placed the front panel on another fabric folded into two to so that we can get our back panel. and I went ahead to measure on this side 2 inches all the way down. But on the flap side, I measure 2.5 inches, and I'm just going to draw back on those points I just made, just like this. Now, from the waistline, I'm going up by 2 inches. I'm so sorry, this fabric is not that visible for my chalk. So we're going up by 2 inches right here. Remember, we came down by 1 inch from on the front panel. Now we're going up by 2 inches on the back panel because the bots will raise the back panel. So we're just going to slant it down to the side, and then we're coming out by half inch by this by the flap, just for our dart on the back panel, and then you just connect it like this. Then for the flap, we're just going to come out. Remember, we already come out by 2.5 inches, and I'm just going to trim that out just like this, and we have our pattern already for our male trouser. This is all we got, and on the next video I'll be teaching us how to sew a perfect trouser with pockets and a welt pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.